Get ready to party. Unpacking the excitement. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fun and energetic phrase that you might come across in English conversations, invitations, and event announcements. Get ready to party. This phrase is packed with excitement and anticipation, and in this video, we'll explore its meaning, usage, and some variations to help you understand and use it confidently in your English interactions. So, let's get the party started with learning. Get ready to party is a phrase that combines two key elements: preparation, get ready, and celebration, to party. When someone says this, they are essentially inviting you to prepare yourself for a time of enjoyment, fun, and socializing. This could mean anything from a casual gathering with friends to a large, organized event. The phrase conveys enthusiasm and is often used to build excitement and anticipation for the upcoming fun. You might hear or use "get ready to party" in various contexts. Invitations. When inviting someone to a party, this phrase sets a lively tone for the event. Social media posts. Event organizers or individuals may use this phrase to promote an upcoming party or celebration. Personal conversations. It can be used casually among friends to express excitement about plans to go out or celebrate something special. It's important to note that this phrase is informal and best suited for casual or social contexts. It reflects a positive and enthusiastic mood, so it's perfect for situations where fun and enjoyment are the main goals. To add more flavor to your conversations, you might want to use some variations of "get ready to party." Here are a few. Prepared to party. A slight variation that emphasizes the preparation aspect. Let's get the party started. This variant focuses on initiating the celebration. Time to celebrate. A broader phrase that can apply to any celebratory occasion, not just parties. Each of these variations can be used interchangeably depending on the context and the tone you wish to convey. We hope you found this exploration of "get ready to party" both informative and exciting. This phrase is all about anticipation, enjoyment, and celebrating good times with others. Now that you understand its meaning, usage, and variations, you're all set to incorporate it into your English conversations. Whether you're planning a party, inviting friends to one, or just looking to express your excitement for a fun event, this phrase will surely add a spark to your communication. Thanks for watching, and as always, get ready to learn and have fun with English.